Hello guys, welcome back. Today on a session day. Yeah, the bells are ringing now. I can hear the bells. A session day on a Thursday. Because in the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 17th, 2023, we have no extra puzzles. So if I decided today on Thursday to solve the edition of Wednesday, May the 3rd, 2023, and we have already done one puzzle, the ladder Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 1 star, and the Sudoku with 0 stars. 0 stars, and this will be number 6454. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. 28, yeah. Let me put this here. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 0 star Sudoku, yeah, I need to be faster than actually 40 minutes. For 1 star Sudoku, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for 0 star, maybe 14. 30 minutes, we will see if I can manage this. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the row below, so no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. I need to wait. How about the 4 then? 4, 4. Let me check 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next down, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Alright. 8, 8, 2, 2, and 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. Here we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, or there, here, or there. We see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the row above, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, yeah. Alright. Think. Yeah. 5. 6, 6, 6. We have a 9 here. Alright. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers. Wait, let me put the 9 first. 9 in this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. 9 in this row, last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have 5 and the 6 in this column. So no 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6, and 5 and the 6. So here we have 3 numbers. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Well, here can it be 9. So 5, 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. Oh, no. We have a 2 here. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 now in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Wow. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. We have a 3 here, but we have also a and a 1. Yeah, we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and a 3 in this box. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and a 3 in that box. The 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So here, 5, 6. Need a 2 here. 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in the first row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 6. Alright. And now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 8. 2, 5, 6, 8. 2, 5, 6, 8. 2, 5, 6, 8. 2, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So the other 2 numbers, the 8 and the 5 are left. We have an 8 in the last row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and 5 goes there. Here we have 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 5 then as a pair. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6, I believe, here. So 2 numbers left here for numbers 5 and the 9. Yeah, 5 and a 9. Okay. 3 and a 5. Yeah. Oh, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Okay. 5, 5. Oh, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. Yeah, 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left. 1 and 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. a 2 and 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. We have a 4 and 8 in the second row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright, 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. Well, we have a 2 and a 6 in the first row. So 1 digit left should be the 8 then. So the other 2 should be the 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 9, 4. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. How about the 3 then? And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. But the 1 then? Nope, the 1 I cannot. Well, 1 box left in this row for the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 3 marks. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9. Oh, cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. About these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next on that column. No need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finishes 14 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the accession day. Until then, bye-bye for now.